This is the final chapter. The heart broke, yeah, but the youth is still standing tall. You left me in the mud, but I rise up with power.
1Ragnar, let's go!
I'm moving to the next. I am never looking back. You hurt me so bad, but I'm right on the track. I'm moving to the next. A new chapter has begun. The tears have all dried under the ghetto sun. Yeah, I'm moving to the next. I am never looking back. You hurt me so bad, but I'm right on the track. I'm moving to the next. A new chapter has begun. The tears have all dried under the ghetto sun. I'm turning away from your toxic kind of love. I am looking forward to the blessings from above. I will never cry again, I will never beg for peace. The pain gave me power, now my blessings will increase. A soldier never dies, and the ghetto youth never fails. I'm locking up your door, I am setting up my sails. You thought I would crash, thought I would drown in the drink, but the pain made me wiser, made me stand up and think. No more sad songs, no more crying at night. I'm jumping in the studio to make the future bright. I'm moving to the next. I am never looking back. You hurt me so bad, but I'm right on the track. I'm moving to the next. A new chapter has begun. The tears have all dried under the ghetto sun. Delete ya, delete ya, delete ya, delete your number, clear the chat, throw the memories away. Monday down to Sunday, I'm grinding every day. God over everything, that's my brand new rule. My broken heart is healing, I'm no longer your fool. You can stay with your money, stay with your new guy. Ragnar has arisen, he is never gonna cry. From the ashes of heartbreak, the phoenix will rise. Ghetto youth, put your hands up in the skies. The scar is there, but the healing is complete. I'm walking strong again on the ghetto street. Next level vibe, I'm moving to the next. I am never looking back. You hurt me so bad, but I'm right on the track. I'm moving to the next. A new chapter has begun. The tears have all dried under the ghetto sun. Next level, bless up, bless up. To every broken heart in the ghetto, we never stay down. We learn.